here in Canada, okay, I live in Canada, we have an environment called the woodland. And the woodland has lots of trees, lots of pine and birch trees, deer, hare, lions, okay? A Venn diagram like this one to show me the difference. Now let's look at the picture again of a food chain and a food web. What I want to do is have you make a food chain, okay? So can you make a new food chain for an environment, for any environment? It can be one in China, it can be one at home, it can be in Egypt, it could be anywhere you want. Choose one environment and show me a food chain.
I know. If one thing in the food chain disappeared, all the animals in the food chain all disappear.
They all, well, the food chain is broken. It means, I mean, the animals perhaps could move away and find a new habitat, or so they might find a new place to live. Okay, and all the predators that eat that animal, they go away too. Okay, now pretend there's a very bad drought. Okay, a drought is when there's not enough water. There's no rain for a very long time. So a lot of a lot of grass dies. Perhaps the forest, doesn't receive enough water. So it's a very, very catastrophic, a very bad situation for all the animals. The whole environment is changed. So a lot of animals die or move away. So then our food chain is broken. Okay, does that make more sense, Phil?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what happens. So the environment changes. Do you have any questions? Nathan, do you have any questions?
No.
No? Okay.
Predator is a wolf and prey is a rabbit.
Excellent. Perfect. Okay, now look at this picture. Can you identify or can you find the prey and the predator here?
Right. The bobcat is the snow.
So I think that's almost time. Let's see if we want to review. I think you guys understand. So I'm not sure if we have another class tomorrow, but if we do, we'll talk more about food webs. Okay?
Oh,